AI versus humans, the ultimate showdown of 2025. Who's smarter, faster, and more creative? Today, we're testing AI tools against human skills to see who really wins in creativity, productivity, and problem solving across the US, UK, and Europe. Think you know who's going to dominate? Think again. We're putting cutting-edge AI systems head-to-head with top human talent in 3 game-changing categories. First up, creativity. Can AI generate more innovative solutions than human imagination? We tested graphic design, content creation, and strategic thinking. Next, productivity. Speed versus quality. Who delivers better results faster? We measured output, accuracy, and efficiency. Finally, problem solving. Complex challenges that require real intelligence. Who adapts better under pressure? The results might shock you. Some categories had clear winners. Others were surprisingly close, and a few completely flipped our expectations. Ready to see which side comes out on top? The future of work depends on understanding these results. Let's dive into the data and discover who really rules in 2025. First, let's look at creativity. AI tools like Leonardo AI can generate stunning artwork in seconds from simple text prompts. In 2025, artists and marketers in London, Berlin, and New York are already using these tools to create professional quality visuals in minutes. Compare that to humans who may take hours to achieve a similar result. AI is fast, versatile, and cost-effective, but can it replicate true human intuition and storytelling? Let's find out next. Next up, productivity and knowledge work. AI can summarize long reports, answer complex questions, or even generate blog content instantly. For example, I uploaded a 50-page tech report, and NotebookLM gave me a clear, structured summary in under 10 seconds. Compare that to a human who might spend hours reading and analyzing. This is why students, researchers, and startups in the US and UK are adopting AI tools to save time and boost efficiency. Now, let's test problem solving and coding. AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot can write functional code, debug errors, and optimize workflows faster than most humans. For instance, creating a simple app function that takes a human 15-20 minutes can be done by AI in under a minute. Developers in Silicon Valley, London, and Berlin are already using these tools to supercharge their productivity, but humans still have advantages AI can't replicate. Empathy, intuition, and emotional storytelling remain uniquely human skills. Creative writing, humor, and moral reasoning are areas where humans still outperform AI, at least for now. So who's smarter in 2025? The answer, it depends on the task. AI excels in speed, scalability, and processing large amounts of data. Humans excel in intuition, creativity, and emotional intelligence. The future isn't about AI replacing humans. It's about humans and AI working together to achieve more than ever before. What do you think? Is AI smarter than humans, or are we still in control? Comment below with your thoughts. And if you want a list of the top AI tools trending in the US, UK, and Europe right now, check out my link tree. I've included free tools, tutorials, and bonus tips for 2025.